How to turn off a Rheem water heater. First, find the gas control. Look near the bottom of the water heater for the gas control. Depending on the model, you'll either see the on and off switch or a knob marked off, pilot, and on. Second, turn the temperature down. If your model has a thermostat knob, turn it to the lowest setting. For Rheem models with a conventional gas control, Rheem's instructions say to set the thermostat to its lowest setting before turning the gas control to off. Third, turn the gas control to off. Some Rheem models require you to slightly depress the knob while turning it to off. Fourth, turn off electrical power if needed. If you're completely shutting the heater down for servicing, turn off its electrical power supply at the breaker or disconnect. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.